Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Now today I'll be continuing with my tutorial on how to play the amazing song Amazing Grace by John Newton on a tremolo harmonica with 16 holes. In my last tutorial, we looked at how to play this in the lower part of the harmonica. But what if you wanted to play it an octave higher? So let's just get straight into it. For phrase 1, blow into 9, blow into 11, blow into 13, blow into 11, and blow into 13. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, breathe in through 14, blow into 11, breathe in through 10, and blow into 9. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 3, blow into 9, blow into 11, blow into 13, blow into 11, blow into 13, breathe in through 14, and blow into 15. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 4, blow into 13, blow into 15, blow into 13, blow into 15, blow into 13, and blow into 11. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 5, blow into 9, breathe in through 10, blow into 11 twice, breathe in through 10, and blow into 9. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. And for phrase 6, blow into 9, blow into 11, blow into 13, blow into 11, blow into 13, and breathe in through 14. Blow into 11, and practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it.
Hi guys, just wanted to say a big thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget I've got a store on Amazon. There's a link in the description below. If you're looking for a new instrument, that would be a good place to start. Also I've got links in the description to lots of other things like my Facebook account, my Instagram, my Twitter. I'd love to catch up with you guys there. So until next time, stay tuned.